I've been running EndevourOs with Hyprland for quite a bit of time now. I've been erasing it, tweaking it, and a lot more. And honestly, I got a little bored. Everyone keeps talking about NixOS recently, so I figured maybe it's time to try different things. And I also heard from a lot of people saying how NixOS makes your whole system really reproducible. Like if you make one config file, that's enough. You can rebuild your exact setup on any machine. And that sounded like the opposite of what I just spent months doing by hand. So I am curious what's actually like. But before switching to NixOS, I can just abandon my current Hyperland Rise. So I published it on GitHub, so I will get access to it later again. And if you want to try my dotfiles, I'll put the link in the comments section. Also keep in mind it's my first Rise and it's still not finished, which I'll work on it soon. That's all, now let's do the installation. This part is extremely boring, so that's why I'm just going to speed it up.
2 hours later.
The installation was successful. Now I just need some time to customize my KDE and learn how to use this NixOS. So after like a little bit of customization, this is what I came up with on KDE. I got this nice Nazuna wallpaper and some installed themes. Also then I learned like some basic usage of NixOS, and it's honestly way too confusing for me though. Because you know that in other distros you do like sudo pacman s blah blah package name, or you do it like apt install and it installs that package for you normally. But this NixOS is really different when it comes to installing something. Let me show you how to install the Steam as example. So you open up your terminal and go to your NixOS configuration file, which is this. And then here you can see my whole system settings right here in just one file. And here's the weird part. Instead of writing a single command to install something, you put the name of that something in this file here, which is inside here. Here you can see my already installed apps, and in order to install Steam you can just put its name right here, and I'm just going to do it so. And I'm also going to install Obsidian. Here. After that's done, you're gonna save it and then run a command sudo nixos rebuild switch. And here you can see that it's rebuilding my entire system just for installing 2 apps. Why is that? I don't know, it's just how NixOS is. That's slightly annoying, I know, but that's exactly what makes this distro more unique than others. The reason why it rebuilds your entire system is actually for safety reasons. If you accidentally mess up your config file and break your system, you can always get back to the previous config file by choosing it when it's booting. And it's just like return by the desk. And well, that's how NixOS is. It's really lightweight and useful for my first experience. Now I think I will keep learning NixOS and definitely tweak my system a lot in a future visit. But still I wonder why it's all hyped up nowadays. It's true that it's really reproducible since you can share your entire configuration to others just by copy pasting it, and they will have the exact setup you have.
and it's really safe to use without breaking your system, which in my opinion it puts NixOS on more advantage than other distros. But yeah, I don't really think people should be glazing NixOS like it's really best distro ever. All distros are really good in their own way, but I agree that NixOS is most unique one I've tried so far, and I liked it. Well, that's all for today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, it would be nice to get support from you guys. So subscribe and like the video, it would help me a lot, and see you guys in the next video.